In this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to treating heartworm in dogs naturally. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Heartworm is one of the diseases that requires standard drugs to prevent and treat. Natural remedies, on the other hand, can minimize your dog's risk of infection. When Margaret's golden retriever Rudy was diagnosed with heartworm, she was taken aback. I didn't believe we'd ever have to deal with it, so it came as quite a surprise. Rudy recovered after treatment, but the incident made Margaret more concerned about heartworm and inspired her to learn more about how to avoid and manage the condition. The most frequent parasite infection of the canine circulatory system is heartworm. Fortunately, it is readily avoidable, and when treatment is required, conventional medications can be used with alternative remedies. While heartworm can infect cats, it is more commonly detected in canines. Traditional preventive and therapeutic measures. It is now advised that all dogs receive monthly heartworm prevention medication. Where I reside in Texas, this is required all year. But in other parts of North America, the prescription is only required during the warmer months. Find out how common it is in your area and consult with your veterinarian about when your pet should take the preventative. Ivermectin or milbemycin are the most usually administered oral medicines. While topical spot-on treatments can be utilized, holistic vets favor monthly oral meds. As a result, the medication only lingers in the dog's system for a few days rather than the entire month, as is the case with spot-on medications. Oral heartworm preventives are relatively safe when compared to other drugs. The dose required to prevent infection and sickness is quite small, about 1/30 of what is required to treat other parasite infections. Conventional treatment employs imidacide, melarsoline, a strong medication that must be administered deep within the dog's back muscles. While this medicine is safer than the one previously used, caparsolate, an arsenic derivative, it must still be provided with caution and under the supervision of a veterinarian because side effects can arise. What about natural methods? I tried to uncover documented proof of natural therapies advocated for the prevention and treatment of heartworm infection while writing my book The Natural Health Bible for Dogs and AMP. Cats. Anecdotal data suggests that herbs like garlic, black walnut, and wormwood, as well as the homeopathic heartworm nosode, can both prevent and treat infection. Unfortunately, I have yet to come across solid evidence that these medicines may reliably and safely prevent or treat infection or disease. For example, just because a dog is given a natural preventive and never develops a positive heartworm test doesn't mean the therapy is effective. Many dogs who do not receive heartworm prevention, whether conventional or natural, will never become infected. The only method to prove a natural preventive is to apply the same protocol that is used to prove a conventional medication, giving it to a large group of dogs, then purposefully infecting them with heartworm larvae and counting the number of positive and negative instances. The similar issue exists when attempting to examine natural remedies for treatment. Dogs who are not killed by illnesses will eventually test negative due to the parasite's natural demise. It is hard to advocate a natural therapy without treating a significant number of heartworm-infected dogs with natural therapies and then confirming they exhibit a negative result on a heartworm test. Risk reduction. Having said that, there are a few things you can do to lower your dog's risk of contracting heartworm infection or to diminish the negative effects of standard treatment. Prevent vaccine frequency, offer a healthy food to your dog, and employ antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation and oxidation. This will improve your dog's overall health and reduce the likelihood of infection progressing to heartworm illness. Regular veterinary checkups and blood testing for your dog will enable for early diagnosis. The earlier it is identified, the less probable the infection will progress to disease. Reduce your dog's mosquito exposure. Citrus oils, cedar oils, and diatomaceous earth can be used to control them naturally. Herbs like milk thistle and homeopathics like berberis can help dogs who need conventional therapy by reducing toxicity from drugs and the death of dying heartworms. Monthly oral heartworm preventives paired with minimum immunizations, a natural food, and a healthy nutritional supplement routine work very well in my practice to prevent infection. The few dogs I meet with heartworm illness respond best when standard treatment is supplemented with nutritional supplements, herbs, and homeopathics to support their immune systems and detoxify pharmaceutical byproducts. Disease versus infection. There is a distinction to be made between heartworm infection and illness. Heartworm infection, rather than heartworm disease, is considered in dogs who are infected with the parasite but do not display clinical indications. Because these dogs are not actively ill, they are less likely to experience negative effects following therapy. Heartworm illness in dogs manifests clinically and necessitates more stringent treatment.